So I'm back out here with another Gleesfun G11Mini Drone. Gleesfun actually sent this out because they saw my last video and they thought maybe it was a defective model. So that's what we're going to put to the test today, to take it up in the air and see how it performs. So it looks like we're back to doing compass calibration again. Actually going to have to restart the app. The app is frozen. Okay, so we'll take off from here. That's flat, it's on the ground, and the representative from Gleesfun also said I should step away from the drone to take off. Theoretically, that should help things, maybe. Start the engines again. Take off. Oh! And it's already doing it again. Nope. It is out of control. I'll bring it back here. It is not coming back. It does not want to fly my direction. Oh, that's because there is a slight breeze. It does not like the wind. It seems to be disappearing into the distance. What's it doing? Oh my gosh, it's flying away. I can't control this thing. It's not responding.
It's gone. Wait. No.
Well, wait, the camera over there. Well, it's.
Where is it?
I can hear it over there. It's coming back. Where is it? Here
there
it comes. Oh no! Oh no! Watch out, Lorian! Oh no! Well, at least it came back. No, stop! Stop! It won't stop the engines! Well, I'm not sure what to do. Oh, okay. It's calmed down. But those engines won't stop. There's some sort of error going on. I am not sure what's happening. This is complete. So we're going to try one last test. I'm going to fly the drone indoors in attitude mode. I actually just recently discovered that you can take this drone out of GPS mode and put it into attitude mode. And I'm actually hoping that this might solve some of the drone's more serious problems, since it might be that the GPS system is causing its more suicidal tendencies. So anyway, we're going to take this up in the air and see how it goes. Going to need calibration first, of course, so okay, we're in attitude mode now, and it's ready to fly. So, wish me luck. Nope, no. Oh, no, stop. Stop! Okay, I'm not. That wasn't good. So, it looks like that doesn't quite solve its problems. It still went straight for the wall, and it wouldn't actually respond to my controls again. I don't know why this thing will not actually, like, it's connected to the controller. I can see the controller icon there. It's all connected all right. Get the hay out of the propellers. The thing is, once it crashes, it refuses to turn off until it like reaches some critical point and shuts itself down. Okay. Well, it's still airworthy, surprisingly. Okay. Okay. Nope. It's lifting to one side there a lot. You know, before, when my first flight with this thing, to the second unit, it was lifting the other direction. Now it's going this direction. Okay. Well, this is attitude mode then. If anything, it's even less stable than GPS mode. So I think that answers that question. Fly it over here. Oh, losing altitude. No, 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 no! Ah! Well, I think that is it for that. Again, it wouldn't respond to control fast enough to avoid the wall there. There's just no hope for this thing, I think. And I think this tells you all you need to know about the G11 Mini. And on that terrible disappointment, I think it's time to end.